Let's get your Webflow forms reliably sending emails, so you never miss a lead first. We'll dive into the Webflow Designer. Navigate to the Forms panel on the left-hand sidebar. When you have a form element selected like a contact form, for example, look at the Element Settings panel on the right. You'll see a section specifically for outgoing email notifications. This is where the magic happens. The most crucial field here is the email address field. This is where you'll input the email address. Where you want to receive all form submissions, make absolutely sure this is spelled correctly, as a typo here is the most common reason emails won't send. Enter your primary business email, or the inbox, designated for leads. Think of this as telling Webflow exactly where to send the messages. Next, let's set the email subject. This is the text that will appear in the subject line of the email. You receive a good subject line, helps you quickly identify your form submissions amidst other emails. Make it descriptive, like new inquiry from your website name, or contact form submission from our services page. This makes it super easy to sort and prioritize your incoming messages. You can even include dynamic information from your form if you want to get fancy. But for now, a clear static subject is perfect. Now, pay attention to the sender email field. This is the email address that will appear to be sending the email. It's generally best practice to use an address that matches your domain, like noreply@yourwebsite.com or info@yourwebsite.com. This helps with email deliverability and looks more professional if you don't have a custom domain email. Webflow will use a default sender, but setting your own is always recommended for better results. Once you've configured these settings, simply publish your Webflow site now. When a visitor fills out and submits your form, you'll receive a notification directly in the inbox you specified, ensuring you're always connected to your audience.